Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Bathroom remodel for seniors, aging in place. Aging in place is becoming an increasingly popular choice for seniors, and with good reason. When done correctly, it can make life much easier and more comfortable. Successful bathroom remodels for seniors should focus on creating a space that is easy to access and use, with features that make it comfortable and practical for those who are aging. It should include features such as walk-in showers, adjustable shower heads and faucets, lever-style door handles, safety bars in the tub or shower area, and non-slip floors. Before looking for a bathroom remodel service, it's essential to consider these few things when remodeling a bathroom for an aging loved one. The most suitable shower for the elderly. When taking a shower, seniors' safety and comfort are very important. There are many factors to consider while choosing a shower. If remodeling a bathroom, make sure to choose a shower that meets their needs and makes their life easier and more comfortable. Walk-in showers. Entrance-friendly walk-in showers are vital for many people. Some people use curbless showers, whereas the majority use a 3 to 4 inch high curb. This curb is low enough that getting in isn't a problem, but it is high enough to keep the water in the shower floor and prevent it from creating a dangerous slipping hazard if it gets out of the shower. Install grab bars in the shower. When placing grab bars in the shower, there are a few aspects that need to be kept in mind, including the following. You have to check to see that the shower isn't difficult to get into or use in any way. Install grab bars in positions that are easy to reach. Non-slip tile floor in the shower. There are a few things to bear in mind if you are thinking about installing a shower floor for a family member or friend who plans to continue living in their home as they age. We recommend small tiles that, with the grout lines, ensure the bathroom floor won't be slippery, providing a secure and comfortable surface to walk on. Look for non-slip floors, and take care when installing the tile floor around the shower pans area too. Shower seat or bench. A shower tiled bench is a permanent installation built into the shower wall. Depending on size and design, it can typically accommodate one person at a time. It is often made from stone or ceramic tile, making it waterproof and hygienic. Although it's fixed, the foldable shower chair can be collapsed to make extra room in the shower. This chair is not essential in any way. Some homeowners like a removable shower chair since it can be taken with them wherever they go, or completely removed from the shower if only needed occasionally. It is also an economical option. Walk-in bathtubs. Getting into a bathtub is difficult for someone who has mobility issues. Walk-in baths are also available for people who want the opportunity of aging. Walk-in tubs allow a person to enter and leave a room rather than stepping over them. A bathtub has a depth that makes a bathing room more comfortable. A typical bathroom is 13 to 14 feet deep because of being on top of a regular bath. The walk-in tub provides a 4-foot depth. Here is some walk-in bathtub features that help the elderly or handicapped. Low entry threshold. You must establish a modest entry threshold in your home. The process of getting into and out of the shower or bathtub will be simplified and made safer as a result of this change. Find a door with a low threshold, an unobstructed path, and no hazard. Good bathroom door seal to keep water in. Installing an elderly-friendly door seal prevents water from escaping the bathroom while a person is in the tub or shower. This will help prevent water from getting out and creating a slipping hazard. Non-slip floor. It is vital to add a non-slip floor when designing an accessible bathroom for an elderly person because of the increased risk of falling. This will help prevent slips and falls. Keep an eye out for a surface that doesn't slide around and is simple and secure to walk on. Grab bars, similar to those found in showers. Installing grab bars, just like in the shower, can be a big help. This will give seniors a sense of safety and comfort while bathing, which can be especially important as they age. Bathroom remodel for seniors' cabinets and storage. Space is crucial when redesigning bathrooms for seniors. This can include cabinets above the toilet or shelves and racks inside the shower. Having a place to store toiletries and other essentials makes the bathroom more functional for those who may have difficulty reaching items that are high up or in tight spaces. More storage is needed. Some seniors may find that they need more storage in their bathroom as they age. If this is the case, there are several different strategies that can be implemented, and they will allow for an increase in the overall amount of storage space that can be accessed. First, think about adding cabinets to the walls. Depending on what works best in the space, floor standing or wall-mounted cabinets may be used. Adding shelves to existing cabinets or constructing a shelf unit above the existing toilet may also give additional storage for goods such as towels, hygiene items, and prescriptions. Finally, if space allows, consider adding a small table or seat to the space that may be utilized for things like laying down wet towels or sitting while putting on shoes. Lower cabinet and countertop levels. Some senior citizens favor having the cupboards and counters at a lower height. You would like to adjust the size of your cabinets and countertops. Miscellaneous bathroom items for the bathroom. A handheld shower head, a bath mat, and a non-slip rug are three things that some elderly people find to be beneficial to have in their bathrooms. Here are some other items that may reduce tripping hazards, safety features, and potential trouble for an older adult in their golden years. Grab bars near the toilet. Mounting a grab bar within easy reach and in close vicinity to the toilet's height is highly suggested. This will provide stability when getting on and off the toilet. Toilet. Some elderly people have mobility issues and may require a toilet that is either lower to the ground or has grab bars installed for support. There are many different types of toilets available on the market, so it is important to find the right one for you or your loved one. A bidet toilet that helps make things easier for seniors provides a spray of water to clean yourself after using the bathroom, which can be more difficult for some seniors. If you are looking for a toilet seat that can make your life easier, we recommend the ADA-compliant raised toilet seat. This seat is designed to help those who have difficulty getting up and down from the toilet. It has a higher seating position, which can make it easier to stand up and sit down. In addition, it comes with a handle that is already attached, making it simple to pick up and carry. Easy-to-access blinds or window treatments for privacy. Window coverings that are conveniently accessible are essential for elders. It might be anything from a basic pull-down shade to an easily opened and closed blind. Having easy access to privacy window coverings will make elders feel more at ease and secure in their homes. Non-slip flooring in the bathroom. When renovating a bathroom for an elderly person, it is necessary to construct a shower floor that has a surface that does not allow slipping. This is vital because it keeps seniors safe while they use the bathroom. There are many different types of non-slip flooring options available, so be sure to choose one that will best meet the needs of someone aging in place with an elderly person. Extra lighting. As we get older, we experience problems with our vision. More light fixtures are beneficial in this aspect, as they provide more light. Recessed ceiling light fixtures are popular among seniors because they give sufficient light in all situations. The only disadvantage is that changing the light bulbs might require extra effort, although this is usually performed with the help of a handyman. It is crucial while renovating a bathroom for elderly people to take into consideration the myriad of different requirements that may become necessary in the future. Extra storage space, lower counter and cabinet levels, accessible window treatments and blinds, non-slip flooring, and extra lighting are all essential features to consider when creating a safe and functional bathroom environment. If you are unsure about which modifications will be most beneficial for your elderly relatives, consult with a professional who can provide expert advice on making your home more age-friendly. With just a few simple changes, you can create a bathroom that is perfect for both young and old alike. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.